Hey hobbyists, struggling to document your code? AiToolslink's here with 7 AI tools for crystal clear docs. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to step up your documentation game, these tools will save you time and make your code more readable. Let's dive in. 1. Docstrings Generator by Kite. Feature: auto-generates docstrings. Benefit: streamlined documentation for faster coding. Ever find yourself staring at a blank docstring and thinking, what do I even write here? With Kite's docstrings generator, you can automatically generate docstrings for your functions and methods based on their code. It takes your function signature and adds clear, helpful descriptions, saving you the hassle of coming up with the right words. It's like having a personal writing assistant that knows the technical lingo. 2. Tabnine feature: AI-powered code completion with doc support. Benefit: consistent, detailed code docs. Don't miss tool 2. Tabnine is here to make your documentation consistent and on point. This AI tool doesn't just complete your code, it also suggests documentation as you type. It's integrated with your editor, so while you're coding away, Tabnine makes sure your doc comments stay up to date and match your coding style. A consistent approach to documentation can make a huge difference, especially in bigger projects. Plus, it integrates with nearly every IDE, so you won't have to switch up your workflow. 3. Sorcery feature: automated code improvements with documentation tips. Benefit: cleaner code with helpful doc suggestions. Sorcery isn't just about improving your code. It's also about improving how you document it. As Sorcery suggests code improvements, it will also point out areas where documentation could be clearer. This AI tool scans your codebase and offers tips for both improving the code and writing better comments. It's like a code mentor and a documentation expert wrapped in one tool. With Sorcery, your code isn't just functional, it's also beautifully documented. 4. Code T5. Feature: code-to-text conversion. Benefit: quick and easy. Explanation of complex code tool 4 is so easy. Code T5 is a brilliant AI tool that converts your code into readable text. You can take a chunk of your code, and Code T5 will break it down into simple explanations. Perfect for when you want to explain complex algorithms or logic but don't have the time or energy to write it all out manually. It helps make your documentation more accessible, whether you're sharing your project with fellow hobbyists or just documenting your own progress. Less time spent on writing docs, more time spent coding. 5. DocGen feature: automatic doc generation from comments. Benefit: faster documentation for larger projects. If you're working on a large project, you know how overwhelming it can be to keep track of all the details. DocGen automatically generates documentation from the comments in your code, creating comprehensive and organized docs without any additional work. Whether you're coding solo or collaborating with others, DocGen ensures that your documentation is always up to date and neatly organized. It's perfect for those projects where you want detailed docs but don't want to lose hours writing them manually. 6. Natural Docs feature: automatically formats your code documentation. Benefit: professional-looking docs with minimal effort. When it comes to presenting your code and docs, formatting is key. Natural Docs is an open-source tool that automatically generates well-organized documentation from your comments, making sure your project looks polished. It supports multiple programming languages, so whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, or any other language, Natural Docs will format everything for you. It makes your codebase easier to navigate, so anyone, including future you, can understand it at a glance. 7. JavaDoc AI-enhanced version. Feature: AI-enhanced JavaDoc comments. Benefit: detailed, readable Java documentation. For all the Java developers out there, JavaDoc's AI-enhanced version is a game changer. It doesn't just generate basic JavaDoc comments, it uses AI to make your documentation more comprehensive. You'll get not just the standard descriptions, but also suggestions for additional explanations that will make your code easier to understand. Plus, it's super easy to integrate into your workflow, so you can keep your project rolling without interruption. Thanks for watching AiToolslink. Subscribe for more. If you've got your own doc tips or favorite tools, drop a comment below. And let's chat. Don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow hobbyists. and make sure you never miss out on tools that make your coding life easier. Catch you next time.